It's the plantain cheese. You see it. This is the way you hold it because this one is very sharp. Oh, if you enter your hand don't go. You see, this one don't dey ripe. Now make me use cloth hold am. See, you do one like this. Now they see, somebody asked me, my teacher, and they take the slice. And this one are the oil. Show them the oil. This one are the oil when I will take fry the plantain cheese. This one are the machine when they take the slice, and maybe this one in case you need them, you will find out like this. See, they pack like this, and you slice them like this. Una see, that's why I show now. I take the slice and you see, you hold on like this. This one don't ripe well. I make kind of use cloth. Unripe when you use hand hold on. See, okay. When you slice and feel, you add little salt. You add little salt. You sprinkle salt. You start. You see, and they already put the ripe one inside the oil. This one already ripe. It don't soft now. Dodo. The one what they call dodo. It don't go straight because now ripe one. Understand? And so you take one if you want fry your plantain chips. And this way they take the one. Wow, guys. My plantain cheese is ready to eat. You see it? It looks so yummy. Wow, guys, come and join me. Let's eat this yummy plantain cheese. This one is ripe one. Oh my God. Now flexing things, so guys. After when you chop this one finish, and I have to go sleep. Guys, if you like this plantain cheese, I want to see your comment. Please like my video, share it. Thank you, guys. See you in my next video. Okay, bye. Happy New Year once again to my lovely family.